gentlemen, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you gentlemen, the show is about to start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let the battle begin!
The WWE Universe loves these steel cage matches, Byron, but this is a structure that can change a superstar's career.
Or not just change your career, but end it, Michael. Remember, in a steel cage match, raking the eyes of your opponent is legal. So you might not just lose a match, you might lose your ability to see. Some high stakes here.
Come on, Byron, don't be so soft. These superstars know that every match might be their last, steel cage or not, so they lay it on the line every single night.
True, every match has elements of danger, but the steel cage takes it to another level. Don't forget, no disqualifications inside the cage either.
And that's why the WWE Universe loves it. Forearm right across the back of the neck. And now Dolph Ziggler is pushing forward.
Oh, nasty impact.
Ziggler has him where he wants him. Back suplex. Kip up.
Really feeling it now.
Boom.
Harsh impact.
Punch to the gut.
I'll take the wind right out of you.
What a punch.
Oh. Big knee.
Big back body drop.
Ooh. Oh.
What impact.
The Fatal 4-Way match works like this. 4 superstars are in the ring all at once. There are no countouts and no disqualifications. You have 4 superstars who are throwing down in the ring all at the same time, and they can fight anywhere they want to. It's mass hysteria.
Look at this, Dolph Ziggler doing some good work here. Boom, what impact.
Overhand right lands.
Ooh. Harsh impact. An impressive fatal 4-way win.
A lot of action in that match. Let's have a look.
Here is your winner, the Superstar, Kevin.
What a thrilling fatal 4-way match that was, guys.
Wow, I can't believe what these 4 competitors just put their bodies through. What a battle.
Well, that'll do it here for this